order to obtain high-quality images of a sample, the proper steps must be taken to prepare the sample before using an electron microscope. First of all, cut the carbon tape and attach it to the sample stage. Carbon tape is used to fix the sample and enhance its conductivity. Next, put the specimen to be viewed on the tape so it adheres to the tape. If a sample is not properly fixed, it may lead to shaken or blurred images, and a non-conductive sample may not be measured correctly due to the charging effect. With a view to reduce charging effects and obtain a clear image, the surface of the specimen is now to be coated with COSEM's ion sputter coater, the SPT-20. The most widely used coating materials are gold and platinum. The default value for the amount of materials to be used is already set, and you can adjust the thickness of the coating by changing the value stored in the settings. Join the stub to which the coated sample is attached to the sample pin stub adapter. Then, check the height of the sample using the ruler to adjust working distance. The working distance refers to the distance between the objective lens and a specimen. For your information, the optimal working distance varies depending on the types of detectors. For example, you can get the adequate number of signals to obtain a clear image at a 7mm working distance when using the SE detector and BSE detector, and at a 12mm or longer working distance when using EDS. For more information, please refer to the operating manual provided by COSEM. Once the sample is ready, release the vacuum in the chamber by clicking the vent button. You can tell that the chamber is ready when the LED bar is completely off, which means you can open the chamber. After opening the chamber door, remove the used sample stage using a hex wrench and firmly fix the newly prepared sample. If the sample stage is not firmly fixed, it's hard to measure the sample accurately due to the occurrence of image shaking during observation. The direction from which a sample is viewed is the same direction from which the image will be displayed on the monitor. The CCD camera mounted on the upper front of the chamber captures the image of the stub, making it easy to locate the sample during the analysis. Now, close the chamber door and press the pump button to turn the chamber to the vacuum mode. The LED bar will gradually light up corresponding to the level of the vacuum. When the chamber is in a complete vacuum, the sample preparation is finished.